Hello YouTube, we have a quick unboxing to do. This is not mine, it's a package from my brother that just got here today. So let's just make this quick. Shipping was really good. Got it from Amazon for about 20 bucks. You'll see what it is. We ordered it Monday, today is Wednesday, so yep. Say what you sorry, this is hard to do with one hand. Just drop my knife. And there it is. $10,000 count. Camo ammo. 12 gram. Because it's for a gun that's coming in about a week. MP5, but you'll hear all about that if you watch my videos. And just that. Packaging paper, nothing special. And there it is.